partial differentiation and its applications. Okay, so very important unit. Not so much important for the computer engineering, but for the mechanical and civil engineering, it is very important. Okay, so write down. Write with me. The topic consists of what we want to study in the unit. Madam, the topic consists of concept of partial derivative and simple examples. Second, finding values of constant so that it will satisfy given partial differential equation. Okay, so finding values of constant. Then add on verification of u and xy are suffix. Use of xy and use of yx. Fourth,
यू क्या है?
डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल है, उसको समझेंगे हम थोड़ी देर के बाद. Implicit partial derivative. Fifth, variable to be treated as constant. Homogeneous function and Euler. It's not Euler, Euler, German mathematician. Euler's theorem. Partial derivative of composite function. 8. Total derivative. Total derivative. चलो पहले समझते हैं, then we will go to the next part. Right. Consider a function f from set x to set y given by y equal to f of x. So here, can anyone tell me what is role of x and y is? What type of variable x is? कौन सा variable है? Independent. Does not depend upon anything else. Whereas what the role of y is? Dependent. Yes. So उसको relation को ऐसे लिखते हैं. Y is a function of x. For example, area of circle क्या लिखते हैं हम? A equal to pi r square है ना? तो A is the dependent variable. किसको dependent है? R. As the R will change, A will change. It does not depend upon pi. Actually depends upon pi, but it is constant, no? So it will not change.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
A equal to pi R square. Okay. Then second, let me change the page.
Just a minute, sir.
Okay, let me change the page. Yes, Radha. Consider a function as f from set xy to set z given by z equal to f of xy. Yes, what is the role of x and y here? X and y are independent. Right, what the role of z is dependent. So it is written like this. Volume of cylinder, how it is written? Pi r square h. So volume will change if radius will change, as well as volume will change if height of cylinder changes. So V depends upon two variables, R as well as H. Hope everyone is getting this. We'll continue with this part tomorrow. Please complete the homework, complete the tutorial assignments, upload them on the Google Classroom by 18th, day after tomorrow. Let me take the attendance. Division B first and then division A. Okay, let me change the order for today. Division roll number 1, its name?
Present, sir.
Very
Present.
good. 2, division B, civil. Roll number 2. Roll number 2 absent. B division. Roll number 3.
Present, sir.
3 present. 2 absent.
Sir, 3 present.
Roll number 2 present, sir.
2.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
2 present, 3
sir.
present, 1 present. 4.
Present.
1 be
5.
present.
Yes, sir.
5. 6. Roll number 6. 7.
Present, sir.
6 absent, no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 6 number is present.
6 present, okay. Okay. What about 7? 7,
Present, sir.
8,
Present, sir.